This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, April 27th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather turning wet tomorrow. There's a look at the water vapor satellite view. A big upper low has produced some wild weather over Texas and Louisiana over the past 24 hours. Big storms this morning blowing through Baton Rouge and New Orleans. Winds of, in some cases, over 100 miles per hour. And we've got some rain falling in South Alabama today. That's the Mobile radar at 240. A steady rain was falling at Dauphin Island, Mobile, Gulf Shores, over to Pensacola, Destin, Fort Walton Beach, Panama City. But that big storm mass that produced the wind damage in Louisiana and Texas is way down south in the Gulf of Mexico waters. Up this way, mostly 60s, a bit cooler than forecast because of the clouds that have been increasing. Birmingham at 66. We'll stay in the 60s really for the next 3 days. To the south, there is a flash flood watch for the Gulf Coast region, all the way from about Fort Walton Beach over to Mobile, all of the Louisiana coast, and extreme southeastern Texas. This is the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. The standard slight risk for parts of East Texas and South Louisiana, a marginal risk down into the Florida Panhandle. And then tomorrow, a severe weather risk, the standard risk from about Gulfport and Biloxi over to Mobile, Panama City, Apalachicola, and Tallahassee. A marginal risk up to about Greenville and Troy. No risk of severe weather on our end of the state. We stress that. And then day 3, which is Wednesday, a marginal severe weather risk over much of the Florida Peninsula and parts of South Georgia. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning, suggesting rain amounts here of about 1 inch. All right, model fans, here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. And this is at 500 millibars. You can see the upper low still over the Arklatex region. Down below that, there's a surface low just below the mouth of the Mississippi River. And whenever the surface low tracks south of here, no severe weather problems. That's good. Now, when does the rain start? The high-res NAM still suggests the rain will start pretty early in the day. This is 6 o'clock local time tomorrow morning. Raining in Tuscaloosa, the rain beginning in Birmingham, and we'll just go with a forecast of rain at times throughout the day. 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, still wet. And I just don't think we hear much thunder. It's going to be a cool, stable air mass, just periods of rain tomorrow and tomorrow night. And this is Wednesday. The surface low is approaching Jacksonville, and the rain will likely taper off at some point Wednesday morning. There could be some lingering drizzle into Wednesday afternoon. And again, we stay in the 60s all day. This is Wednesday afternoon at 1 o'clock, and you can see that the really significant rain is out of here. And again, there could be some leftover drizzle Wednesday afternoon. Thursday, the surface low deepens off of Cape Fear, and for us, we think the sky becomes partly to mostly sunny with a high in the upper 60s on Thursday. Friday, beautiful weather. Sunny, low humidity. We start the day in the middle 40s. The high will be in the low 70s. Saturday, a bright sunny day with upper 70s, and Sunday looks delightful. Sunny, the GFS printing a high of 81 for Birmingham. So how about that for a nice break in the weather? Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, gorgeous. Monday of next week from today, big upper trough way, way north of here, and that still looks pretty quiet. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is May the 7th, big trough in the western states, and again for us, the Gulf is open, so I guess there might be a shower and something like that, but any organized severe weather would be north and west of here. Temperatures coming off the ensembles. You can see that cooler air at midweek. In fact, the ensembles here showing a high of only 61 for Birmingham on Wednesday. That'll be a cool day. But we warm up, and by next week, we're looking at mostly low 80s. And hey, this is May. Should be warm this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.